Let's pick up some more gear. Got some of this. One more. Well, two more stops. Find out. They got bear spray. Let's pour this on his tent. Towels! You get your seatbelt on. Shut up. But it wasn't a rock! Aw, our station's screwed up. Rock lobster! Well, at least now there's no copyright issues. Oh yeah, no drag in the road. Wow. Number one, hole in the kayak. So the kayak has a hole in it. Duct tape did not work, so I'm gonna go see if the marina has a vinyl patch. If not, looks like we gotta pay for a water taxi. Shit. Store had no patches, but the water taxi, he said he'd do it for 30 bucks. So, you know what, $30 ain't too bad. Just sucks I won't be able to kayak around while I'm out there. I'm kind of limited to what I'm going to do this weekend. But hopefully the fishing's good from shore. Finally out here and got my rod in the water. The bugs are beep holes. Yeah, got bug spray, so that's good. Got my tent set up. I'm not sure if you can see the bright orange thing over there. If you can't, then not too bad. Bugs everywhere. So yeah, so oh well, let's start our adventure. She's gonna put you in the water. You got no weight on, let her in. No thrust. Oh. She's gonna fucking kill me. Things before you bring them out. Hey, I tested my inflatable. It worked before. Yeah, probably. It feels okay. Watch your dog. Rose, run! You did it! You did it! Yeah! Press it! You gotta press it! Go home strongman competition. Arnold Classic, take that. Oh! What's up, Chris? Oh! The beast. No, it's not. Ricochet. So we tried some gourmet cooking here. Well, that didn't work. Did you save enough?
Yeah, I think that's enough. There you go. Thanks.
Nicely done.
Ah, it's gotta be chilly.
There you go. Stuff the log. We're good to go. Here we go.
Way to go,
Here we go.
Flamer.
There's flame in there.
Oh, she's gonna go. Good old girl.
Cooking some homemade sausage here. Because that's what we do.
Tomorrow morning we'll have bacon grease. That's a little spicy, eh?
Got a little kick to it. It's nice.
Did you kill that whole piece?
Do you want some more?
Is that supposed to?
Go away. That's a little warm in there.
You know what? As soon as I started walking away from the...
I might actually.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, he did it.
Give it a reel.
I'm amazed. Look at that, eh? It's fucking nice. So, what would it do? Stuff I really need to dry farther. And so, starts to conclude our first night here. Anyways, I'm about to dig into some high quality H2O here. And then probably have a nap.